I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Open JDK 17 or newer and Java FX on the class path. Once done, create a minimal project layout with SRC and resources so you can iterate. Then add the animation dependency in build, Gradle or POM. XML, this lets compilation and runtime resolve classes. Make sure Java home points to the right JDK and your IDE uses the same runtime. This avoids class loader mismatches when you run animated sequences shortly. You implement the core by constructing a scene with a pane or canvas that draws each frame. Use animation timer for per-frame updates or timeline with keyframe for discrete steps. This controls timing precisely. Then update model states separately from rendering so you can test logic without visuals. Once state updates are deterministic, bind visual properties where possible to reduce manual syncing, and throttle frame updates if CPU or GPU load spikes to keep animations smooth across systems. You finish by optimizing and packaging. Cache static nodes, minimize scene graph complexity, and only redraw changed regions to improve FPS. Then package with JLink or JPackage so the runtime matches your development environment. This prevents JDK-related inconsistencies. If something breaks, enable verbose class loading and detailed logging to trace missing modules or resource paths. That single debug step usually reveals misplaced assets or module path errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.